Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to take a look at another watch I got from Gearbest.com. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. And I am wearing my Melbourne Sorrento on that Barton Bands canvas strap. If you want to know more about the watch and the strap, I will link to the videos on those below. So, if you guys follow me, you know I have received one other watch from Gearbest.com, and it was not bad. I might link to that video below too. And I said I was going to try and find those hidden gems within Gearbest. If you go to their website, they have just about anything you could want to buy, and they have watches starting at just a few dollars, ranging up into the hundreds of dollars. Now this particular one was $65.99. So this is a Cadisen, and their description of it is just men's automatic watch. Now I believe that's going to be that model number C-1009G. So this one is a 39mm stainless case with a ceramic bezel, and I actually like that ceramic bezel. It has kind of a cool, almost black chrome look to it. It does have a date window. It is automatic, as you guys saw when I flipped it over. It has that display case back. And I actually like, let me show you, I like the crown. I like being that little lip there on that crown, being able to pull it out nice and easy. It's on a 20mm leather strap. It does have their name on the buckle there. No logo, no anything on the crown. So, we'll take a look at the back a little bit more. Cadisen automatic sapphire crystal, 5 ATM, water resistant. Now most watches, especially leather watches that have that low water resistance, guys, I always say I probably wouldn't get them more wet than washing your hands and then quick dry off. Now, a little bit more about that movement. If you look, we got Miyota company, 21 joules, Japan. So this actually has a Miyota automatic movement. To be honest, I am not sure which movement that is. I believe it's one in their 8000 series of movements, and there's quite a few different versions. The hard part is on the weight there, it doesn't actually give me the model number so I can get more specs on it. But it is cool that it is a Miyota 21 joule automatic movement. We have sapphire crystal, stainless, a decent leather strap, all for $65.99. Now, that currently is a sale price on this on Gearbest.com, and it's probably going to end soon. One thing I have noticed on their site, if you see something that's on sale and it's a good price and you want it, buy it, because there's a chance that it won't be that same price later. I actually have another watch here from Gearbest.com that the price has gone up because it was on sale when I got it, and now it's gone up a little bit. And it's actually a really nice looking piece too, so we'll get to that one within the next day or so. Let me throw this one on wrist. It does have some lume, so we will go dark really quick. But we'll throw it on wrist and take a look at it. So it is smaller than a lot of the watches that I generally have, being a 39mm. But this one actually is very comfortable, lightweight. Fits my wrist really nicely. You know, the ceramic bezel though, I will say, it's weird because it tends to get kind of fingerprinty, so I'm constantly wiping it off. But I like just the simple, clean look of this one. Very comfortable, and it might be fun to throw this one on some different straps. I'm going to pause the video real quick, and we'll go dark. Alright, so now that we're in the dark, you can barely see any of the lume. So we'll light it up. This one definitely doesn't have as powerful lume as some of the other watches, I've got, and something kind of a bummer. If you notice, the hands don't have any lume. It's not the end of the world for me. We'll talk about it a little bit more. Alright guys, back in the light. So, while we were in the dark, I did mention the hands don't have any lume on them, which is a slight bummer, but overall, you know, the lume isn't crazy strong on this one, so I don't think that's a big selling point on the watch to begin with. Also, when I said the Miyota movement was in their 8000 series, really it's like they have an 8205, an 8215, an 8218. There's a lot of, I guess I should have said in their 8200 series, but it is a Miyota 21 jewel automatic movement sapphire crystal for $65.99. I would definitely say that's one of the hidden gems in Gearbest.com. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.